Rwandan family. The family is a group of people. Here I mean men and women and children who are parents, children, and sometimes relatives living together in one home under one person as head of the household or the head of the whole family. A family is a single social group from which our society develops. The family is made up of father, mother, children, and relatives in the home. That's what we call the family. And as if it is not enough, is what we can call successful and happy family. A family is or must be a natural society and the basic unit of this society too. Therefore, we have types of families. Number one, nuclear family, extended family, foster family, and institutional family. Under the family, we have marriage. Marriage in any family is